Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome back to this full XRP update. We're back again. I tried to cover it in my middle of the day market updates last week. I was on ski vacation, but now I'm back and we're doing daily updates. We're back again right now as well. XRP has been relatively strong. Opposed to my previous predictions. I mean, the majority of last week, what I said is that I think it's most likely we're going to drop back down into 2.2 and to 2.1, which has happened. So for the majority of the time, I was right. But on Friday, I also said that. And Friday, we turned quite bullish. So I was wrong about that, but ultimately that's good news. I mean, in the end, I've always been bullish on XRP, as most of you know, and I'm still bullish on XRP. So what I wanted to talk about in this video primarily is whether we can actually break out, because at this point of time, as most of you know, we are at, I would say, the most crucial resistance level for XRP, and that is this level right here between 2.6 and 2.5. You have the value area high there. 2.5 is a psychological resistance level. In general, it's a strong resistance level. So the big question right now for XRP is, well, can we actually break above that? And well, first of all, if I look at the markets, my initial reaction would be no. And then at the same point of time, you also see that there's quite a lot of leverage coming into the price right here, which historically is, well, I mean, it's always like leverage coming into the price or coming into a coin is not always bad, because every time a crypto is very, very bullish, there's also leverage coming in, right? But what I first saw is that, well, the markets right now are quite weak. I mean, Bitcoin is holding on fine. Most altcoins, even though this chart doesn't reflect that, most altcoins are absolutely suffering. So that, in combination with the leverage, made me think, when I saw this morning, no, we're not going to break out. And I still think that, like, if you want to buy XRP, I don't think right now is the right timing. Because we are at resistance, so you can better wait for us to break above 2.6. But like I said, I mean, when looking at the markets and when looking at the leverage, I thought, no, we're not going to break out. But then what I saw, and I think this is quite remarkable, is that, well, XRP is actually higher in market cap than USDT right now. But second of all, that the volume is extremely high. The volume is up 88%, while the volume in the markets is down 44%. And obviously, with the Trump administration coming in the 20th of January, which Ripple is one of the crypto projects that has most benefits with that. And then we also saw some sort of a dinner between Brett Garlinghouse and Trump. Like if you combine those fundamentals with the volume and with this technical situation and this technical structure, which was already bullish, and that's also what I've told you, basically since the start of the formation, that makes me think we can actually break out. But then I come back to what I said earlier, and that is that, well, if you actually want to buy more XRP, which I think you should have bought here at $2, and that's also what we talked about. Like every time we touched $2, I always said that's a great buy area. But at the moment, I would wait for 2.6 to break. All right, everything looks good to go higher. I think we have some sort of a fundamental push coming in with the Trump inauguration. But outside of that, we also have momentum. We have leverage. We have volume, and we have a technically bullish structure, which is here on the daily time frame. The uptrend has always been respected, and on the 4-hour time frame, we had some sort of a blow off top, and since then we have consolidated near the highs here, which is extremely bullish. So at this point of time, because it is in line with the structure, I will still tell you that I think you should be most prepared for a move down. All right, think for yourself. All right, if we get a move down to the monthly open again at 2.1, am I fine? If the answer is yes, you're going to be fine, because ultimately I do think we're going to get that breakout. But for now, I would be prepared most for this and keep a price alert at 2.6, because if we're able to break above 2.6 with that same volume, if the volume is still going up, we're going to break out, and then we're going higher regardless of what the market does. But so like I said, in conclusion, be ready for this, but be most prepared, and I would also say that's still most likely for some sort of a move back down into 2.25, 2.2, maybe 2.1 even. And then we'll hold that level, we'll consolidate, and we'll break out later. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.